Hi everyone, I'm Ojasvi and welcome back to my channel Shop Eat Travel Repeat. I hope you all are doing good and your family is keeping safe, and I'm also doing fine. So yes, today I am back again with another video, and guess what I've got with me? This amazing package from Zoo. Let me just unbox it and show you what is inside it. Look what I got. Oh my god. This is such a nice bag. It is exactly what it is shown on the side. Let's just open it. The packaging is really nice. Double layer packaging थी, and the shape is also exactly how it should be. I mean, it's not pressed or damaged in any way. So this is the size of the bag, which is like between medium and large. It seems really very spacious. It comes with these two handles to carry. Along with that, I can see that there are buckles over here, so it is possible that it has a sling string inside. So let's check it out. It has this one zip opening. There is no other zip outside, but there's this one zip opening. This is how it is. Yes, we have a sling inside. If you can see the quality, I mean, I've used a lot of bags, but this is something very very strong. Usually जो buckles रहते हैं वो बहुत हल्के होते हैं and they tend to break after some time, but this is like really strong metal buckle. Similar material is used for the adjusting strap. So yeah, this is actually really nice, and it is stuffed with a lot of paper. Also, they have this cute little welcome to our family card inside this bag, which I really like. They have mentioned about their brand, what it is, and then they have given this nice insider offer to me as well, which I can use in my next purchase. Yeah, so this is the welcome card they have given. Now let's just get the stuffing out of it. Just a little more, almost there. So inside the bag we have here a small zip compartment to keep our keys or any small things like mobile phone or anything you want to keep separately, and it also has these two small compartments. Maybe for your mobile phone you can keep it here. It is the size of a phone, or you can keep your wallet or a small things you can keep in these two compartments, and rest the bag is as this, a spacious bag. And if I talk about the quality, I am just in love with the quality. The handles are sturdy, the stitching is nice. Usually I've seen that the stitching for the bags, it is coming out from somewhere or something like that, but that is not the case with this bag. It is clean and nice, and it seems really classy, high-end bag. So yep. Oh, look at these details. I just saw them. It is just for placing your bag. It has a stable stand and it doesn't fall off. So yeah, this is again a really nice detailing on this bag, and I am in love with the pattern. I mean, this zigzag pattern will go with anything or everything that I wear. Either it is a western outfit or a traditional outfit, and the colors are also very neutral so that I can carry it with any of the outfits. This is a very spacious bag, especially what I like about it. It's really spacious. You can carry it anywhere, whether you're going to office or you're traveling somewhere where you want to carry a lot of stuff. So this bag can take a lot of things. Now let me just show you what all I can put in this bag and how I'm going to carry. Starting with my wallet first. So I'm just gonna put in my wallet. After that, the most important thing in nowadays is a sanitizer. So I'm gonna put it in the small compartment because I want to keep it handy. Then you can put in your coffee mug or a water bottle that you want to carry to your office or anywhere while going out. Keeping your cell phone as well in the small compartment. A spare mask as well if you want to carry. That I'm going to put it in the zippered compartment over here. Then goes my makeup kit. Then a pair of sunglasses. Then a pair of spectacles because I wear lenses, so I have to carry my specs along with me everywhere. Then comes a pair of headphones. Lastly, a phone charger that you need to carry along with you. You can put in a power bank as well because there's a space for power bank too. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much. My bag is packed, if you can see. So I still have space in this bag to put in more stuff if I want, but this is it for me for now because that is something which I carry in routine. Also attaching the sling. This is how it is. It is adjustable from here. You can adjust the length according to you. That's pretty much. My bag is packed. So did you just see how much stuff I can put in this bag? And the one thing that I loved most about this is that the shape of the bag, it remains as it is, even though I have put in so much of stuff, or even if I take out a little bit of the stuff and it is half empty, then again the shape remains same, which is really amazing. Otherwise the bags are like crushed or they tend to change their shape according to the stuff that we put in, which is not in case of this one. The zip quality is amazing, the belt quality is amazing, and it is not even it doesn't even feel like very heavy to carry because of the material that it is made up of. Otherwise when you put in this much of stuff in a bag, because of the weight of the bag, it seems really heavy, but in this case it is not that because of the quality of the bag and the material that is used to create this bag. It is really good. I have put in all my stuff inside this and I can find it very easily. I can put it in and take it out whatever I want because everything is compartmentalized very nicely, and it is really spacious. That I must say again, because that is something which I look in a bag, and usually you don't get bags like this which are super stylish and spacious at the same time, and I am falling in love with this bag, to be frank. This is the first time I've tried something from Zouk, and I would say that I am going to shop a lot more because they have an amazing range of tote bags, laptop bags, wallets, and a lot more. So you should also check it out on their website, which is mentioned in the description box. And I'm going to give you an amazing offer as well, which is by using the code YTOJSWI15, which is mentioned here on the screen. You'll get flat 15% off on your website, which is amazing, isn't it? If I talk about the quality of the zips, it is easy to open and close, and the zips are smooth and sturdy. I already told you about the buckles and the metal quality. That is again amazing. The leather is also vegan leather, which is again a plus point. I would say the brand is PETA approved because they are eco-friendly and they have used vegan leather. Also the fabric that they have used is mostly jute or khadi, and these are all inspired by Indian traditions and Indian prints. This one is a little like a modern print, I would say, but if you visit their website, you'll see a lot of Indian traditional prints over there which are amazing and worth trying. And along with that, this is proudly made in India, and we should always support the brands which are made in India and support our country as well. I would highly recommend buying from Zouk because I am in love with the quality and the designs of their bags, and you should also try them too. So just visit the links in the description box and order your bags now. That was pretty much about today's video. I hope you guys liked the review for Zouk bags today, and if you liked it, just give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and watching the video for the first time, go subscribe to my channel because I keep on posting a lot of review videos, market tours, travel videos, and a lot more. Also, my Instagram link is mentioned in the description box. You can follow me there as well because I keep on posting daily content over there which is related to fashion, travel, makeup, beauty, and a lot more. I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So that's all for today. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.